Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to organize your Mailchimp audience. First of all, to organize your audience, there are multiple ways with which you can organize your audience. So first of all, what you have to do is go to your audience section by clicking on the audience icon. Click on it. Now on this page, you'll be able to see all of the contacts that you have in your Mailchimp account. So first of all, to organize your audience, we have a tool called tags. So with the help of tags, you can add tags to your audience with which you can resonate or you can remember. For example, let me show you. Go to all contacts, and as you can see, there are some tags that I have added. For example, this person is my customer. I have added the customer tag in front of it. In front of this contact, I have added a newsletter DIY. And with the help of contacts, I can remember which audience member or which contact member should I, for example, if someone attended my workshop or something like that, so I will add a tag with the help of subscribed or attended or whatever else. So this is the first tool to organize your audience tags. And the other one is the groups. If you go to the group section, you can create a group. And for example, there's a group type. How should we show group options on your sign up form? For example, contact may select one. If you select the checkboxes, then contact may select the one of the checkboxes. Radio buttons, contact may only select one. Drop down menu, contacts may only select one option from the drop down menu, something like that. And there is another option called segmentation, with the help of which you can sort your contacts. For example, if I go to segments, and I haven't created any segment yet, but if I create a segment, now I can filter my contacts. Now I can filter with the help of tags, email address, language, VIP status, first name, email, date added. For example, if I select the tags, the contact is tagged or not. So I can select whether to send any email to the contacts who are tagged, who are not tagged. So I will select who are tagged, and which tag should I add. For example, there are so many tags that I have already created. For example, I will select the newsletter DIY tag, and I will click on use segment. Give your segment a name. I will name it as demo. Save and exit. Now this is I have created. If I click on it, as you can see, there is no contact matched with the selection. But what I will do, I will edit the segment and change my tag. For example, I will remove the tag. I will select customers and I will save the segment. Let's see if it fetch some contacts. I have so many. I have total 488 contacts who have the tag called customers. So I can segment my audience with the help of manage my audience with the help of segments. So if you want to delete any segment, all you have to do is go to this drop down menu and click on delete, and you can delete or add as much segments as you want, as much groups as you want, and you can tag as many audience members as you want. For example, it will show me all of the contacts who have these specific tags. For example, this tag has been added to only 2 contacts. So with the help of tag, I can send a campaign and send emails who have this specific tag. This is how you can organize your audience with the help of Mailchimp. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.